YouTube, Chastek is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix a copy paste not working in Windows computer. In this video, we are going to see 4 solutions to solve this problem. So stay tuned until the end of the video. So if you are facing a copy paste problem on your computer, so the first solution for this video will be checking your keyboard. Maybe your keyboard is not plugged in correctly to your system unit, or the cables are not working correctly. So make sure your keyboard is working correctly. So after you check your keyboard, then the second solution for this video will be running a troubleshoot on your keyboard again. So to run the troubleshoot, click here the search icon. This solution will work for all Windows operating system, Windows 10, Windows 11. So type here troubleshoot. So here the troubleshoot setting, then open it. Here you will find the troubleshoot, then select additional troubleshoot here. Then after that, scroll down and find keyboard. So here we find keyboard. So select keyboard and select here run the troubleshooter. So it will start detecting the keyboard. And here the troubleshooting has completed, and in my case no changes or updates were necessary, and the keyboard is fine. But in your case you may find some solutions after troubleshooting your keyboard. So after the troubleshooting, if you are facing again the problem, then the third solution would be opening your system configuration and disabling some applications. So to disable those applications, again click here the search icon and type here under search box Msconfig. Here when you type Msconfig, you'll find here system configuration, then open it. Then you'll find under general, make sure the startup selection is normal startup, then select this normal startup and click here service. So under the service here you will find different applications. So before you disabling, make sure you select here hide all Microsoft service. So select this and click here disable all. After you select hide, select here disable all. So it just disable everything. Then select here apply, then select here OK. So it will ask you to restart your computer. So select here restart. Now I'm not going to click the restart because it's going to stop the recording. So for the recording purpose, I'm going to exit without restarting, but make sure you restart your computer. And if the copy paste problem is still occurring, then the final solution for this video will be creating a new user profile. This will also help you to solve the problem. So click the search icon and type here account. So after you type account, you'll find here manage your account, then open it. Then you will find here family and other users, then select that. And here it will show you other users, then select here add someone else to this PC, and it will start creating your Microsoft account. So it's saying just wait a moment, and here I don't have, you can, if you have a Microsoft email account, you can insert here. If you don't have, you can select here I don't have sign-in information, and after that again here you can create if you want, but if you don't want, you can get here add user without a Microsoft account, and here you will find create a user for this PC, then insert the username, enter the password and click next, and it will create your new username, then sign out and log in again. So if you need a video on how you can create your new user profile, I'll put a video about it on the description box of this video. So these are the solutions to solve your problem. I hope this video helped you. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Chastek out.